Hello everyone. So in this video we'll create a simple Ubuntu server and we'll install the Java onto this Ubuntu server and we'll use neevcloud to set up our Ubuntu machine. So let's get started. So I'll just go to this neevcloud site, and here either if you are a first time user you just need to sign up, and just a very easy steps. You just fill up the steps, and once you got the account, and then you can just log in. And here what I would do is simply create. You can create a new project. I already created, so I'll just go with this project. To create an Ubuntu, just click on this server, and currently there are no servers. You just click on this create a cloud server. Once you get the list of the servers, you just can choose. In our case it is Ubuntu, and here in the drop down you can choose the versions. So I'll just go with this the previous version, so 22.0. And here you can choose the hardware, so I'll just go with a very minimum, that is the nano one. And you can have different options like CPU optimized, memory optimized, GPU enabled, and smart server. So depends upon your requirement, you can choose it. I just go with this for demo purpose. I'll just go with this nano. And here authentication, everything is there. So what I will do is simply I'll just simply go with this password. So what I will do is simply root 123. So the password should be good enough, but it is just showing. Either you can generate the password, or either just for the demo purpose I am just going with this thing, or either you can have some special character as well, so that the password is more um, robust. Okay, all right. So looks pretty good. So now what I will do is simply give the name. Here the network, it should be the public, and let's try to create. We should give the name of the server. Okay, so create a name. Yeah, it is asking for the name. So the last is just simply say Ubuntu. I will simply say 001, and let's create the server. So just if you click over here, and once you find this active status as active, it means that it is ready. So it's showing active. But if you want to access from outside, or just want to log in, what you need to do is you just need to go to the security groups and check over here, click over here, and here there are lots of options. So here if you see, I have added this security group option here, that in case if it is not available in your case, then you can add a rule, and here you can choose all the protocol, give the description simply. This is an ingress. In our case it is ingress for Ubuntu, that somebody is trying. Here port, you can check all the port, or if you want a specific port only to be allowed, then you can choose over here. And then you have the remote one. You can choose this CIDR cider, and here in our case it's an IPv4. Okay, but it is already there, so I'm just going with the existing one. Okay, all right. So if I go to the server, now it is active. Security group is there. It is the default one. So I am just trying to log in from the command prompt. There are different ways if you want to connect to this. So there is, say for example, here you can see there is um, symbol. You can just check over here, and you can open here. It's asking for the login. So what I will do is simply root. So once you go into the console, what you need to do is root. Just simply um, enter login as a default login as root, and you enter the password. So I would just enter the password. Okay, maybe. Okay, so previously the password might be a typo. So now I'm inside the Ubuntu machine. So now what I can do is, so before installing anything, you need to go with these two commands, apt update and apt upgrade. Then after you start any software to be installed on your Ubuntu machine. So let's first fire these two commands. Next one apt upgrade and say yes. If you find such a message, just enter and say OK. So once both the things done, then what you can check is just check the Java version, because we have not yet installed any sort of Java. So it's just giving you a sort of a suggestion that you can use this command. So what I will simply do is I'll say simply sudo apt install openjdk. If you go with this set, it will install a default one. What I will do is simply just mention the version and jdk, and let's see, and just press yes, and let's wait for some time. So once this is done, what I can do is simply check the Java version, and you can see the OpenJDK 21 is now perfectly installed. Now you can play with Java in the Ubuntu server. So we have successfully installed the JDK 21 on Ubuntu machine, which has been created in the neevcloud. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.